Morning, students. 11th standard, your computer's first lesson, Introduction to Multimedia. Multimedia is the purpose of collecting data. Communication is an internal part of our life. Multimedia helps us for connecting peoples in various parts like newspaper, television, theaters, movie, internet, all are the sources of multimedia. A single medium of information, it's just not enough for conveying our message to world and audience. So multimedia is the helper source to convey our messages. For example, while talking on telephone, to our friend, we can hear his voice, but we can't see our friend. Same is in audio, we can hear voice, but in video calling, we can see our friend's face. Multimedia is also about adding various effects to main communication effect. It gives and sources of communication. Multimedia is the term multimedia has been coined from two terms, multiple and media. It means connecting various medias in a single sources. That is multiple sources in one, that is multimedia. Like text, video, animation, graphs, audio, this all are the sources of multimedia. These all components of multimedia's first component is element of multimedia. We define multimedia as combination of various media element like text, audio, graphic, video and animation. First is text. Including text in multimedia is the basic step towards development of multimedia. Presenting text is used to communicate information to the user in a proper word. Like we are typing for any state, we will type Gujarat, that is sample text. Gujarat can be in small letters and big letters in a font form. A typeface is family of character or letters which have similar look. For example, Times, Arial, Courier and other. Typefaces have different style and size known as font. We can type our font in various sources like sample of type source. S, M, F and sans strips. These are normal. ATGX and ATGX. Both are same words but the font size is different. So in text multimedia, we can use our expression, our sources by fonting your letters, text, which can express what you are going to write and what you have to write. Text in multimedia is different from the text is used in traditional pen and paper method. In traditional method, we convey the information using only text, while in multimedia, we have other element along with text and those elements work together to convey meaningful information to the user about a thing which the writer want to express. What the writer want to say or express, it is generally written in the text form. Just for doing that, open a blank presentation in OpenOffice Impress. Click on View, Toolbar, Drawing. On the Drawing toolbar, click on the Font Work Gallery icon. A font work gallery dialog box shows us the same different forms of font to express the feeling of text. And showing this, we can in the font work gallery dialog box select any style and we can show our expression in generally font. Same font work I had selected. This is my expression been generated in the font size, and the normal replace default for font fit. If we choose replace or default is the element where only the font settings are being selected on default. Computer's default steps are be counted for getting font. And if customized, then we have to choose our font size and font box. In customize, we are selecting font color, font size and the paper worksheet where we want our font to be presented. These all are customized form, and in default we don't have to select anything. Computer's default process is been selected. Second, first was text, second is audio. Sound is the most important element of multimedia. We can define sound as many types, and as meaningful language we have to. The term sound is used in the long form, and the audio is the basic form for our customized, dignitized information to generate by audio. Text and images without any sound are helpful when we are presenting in front of the audience, but in the absence of the presenter, sound plays an important role. Yes, text and images are the replacer of the presenter, and if presenter is not there, then audio is the basic information generator of the presenter. Nowadays, computers support multimedia application. They come along with required hardware and software needed for multimedia application. To build such relation with sound card, speaker, web camera, it is an multimedia application. These are the steps to generate an sound application, like sound application, sound and video, sound recorder. This opens a sound recorder application. Shown in the figure, voice.lospy SPX type. Choose file, the name we have to select. Use the record as drop down list to select one of the following recorder. We can select any sound recorder. To start recording, choose control, record or click on record button. Now start recording. Whatever we have to record, we can record by only clicking on record button, and our recording will be getting started. This is the file name and title. It can be length, whatever you have to select, and the length will only be limited given by, in default it is limited, and in customized it is as size as you want. When we stop it recording, our stop button is there, our recording will get stopped. To play back the recording, choose control play or click on play button. To run the audio mixer, choose file, open volume control. To save the recording, choose file, save as, and type a name for the second file. These are the file extension and types of file and description. File extension MIDI.midi. Type of file MIDI file. Description MIDI musical instrument. Digital interface file contains music data. RM.RAM RAM, real audio file. Real audio metadata is combined of audio and video. WAV, wave file, waveform audio file. WMA, videos media audio file. Or description, audio file comprised with video, Windows media compressed. MP3 MPGA, MP3 audio file, compressed audio format. These all are the extension given to audio and sound files. All are the sound file. MP3 and real audio files are the sound files path to generate your file and to search for your file. Third, image. Generally, audio multimedia presentations are graphically image based information. Combination images is used, easier to remember and understand. Images used in a multimedia application can be photographic, converted into digital form with the help of scanner or generate on the computer. Computer stores the picture in the form of pixel maps known as bitmap or raster images. A pixel, short for picture elements, is the small dot on the screen. A map is a two-dimensional matrix of these dots. Thus, a bitmap is a single matrix of tiny dots. Pixel is the element and the memory generator for images. And dotted are the bitmaps of matrix dot to generate images. These are the sources to save images file in computer. To save our images file, bitmap is used as binary is the form to generate our text forms. Same as for bitmap is used, pixel and bitmap and matrix dots are used to save our file in computer in images form. First we learned about file extension for audio. Now it is file extension for images. .hmp type file, bitmap and description is uncompressed image file used to store bitmap digital images. .gif graphical interchange format file, common for web graphic with small images and images with text, uses a limited number of colors. .pmg portable network graphic, used to store graphics for web images and support up to 32-bit colors. It may an improvement over GIF. GIF is lower than PMG and PMG is improvement to GIF. JPEG and .jpg joint graphical export color image file, common image format used by digital cameras, support up to 24-bit colors. .psd Photoshop document, image file created by Adobe Photoshop. TIF tagged image file format, highly flexible and for platform independent format which is widely used towards. These are the path for generating images on extension form. Fourth, video and animation. Animation can add great power to any multimedia application. Any static presentation becomes lively by adding a video or animation. Animation is a visual change to our normal video. The digital images are played one after another in a moving effect, which gives extraordinary effect to our presentation. Animation can be classified as two-dimensional 2D or three-dimensional 3D. In 2D animation, visual change occurs on the X and Y axis of the screen. This type of animation is simple, but in 3D it occurs on X, Y and Z screening form, which is micromedia flashing signifying studio. This 2D dimensional screen, you can see how the picture reflects, how the images get reflected, and this is 3D dimensional screen for images. On the animation part, how the picture reflects 2D and 3D. Comparatively 2D is on X and Y screening and 3D is on X, Y and Z screening. For getting images on animation mode, we have to select VLC media player and select our dimensional. It should be Linux 2 or Linux 3 captured mode. If we select 3, it will be on 3D dimensional, and if we select 2, it will be on 2D dimensional. This is the form video device name, audio device name. You have to mention all on this. These are the file extension for animation videos. .avi audio video interlevel file. .wmv video media format file. And for AVI audio video interlevel file description, developed by Microsoft to play videos in Windows environment. And for Windows media format file is a compressed video format developed by Microsoft for internet streaming application. MPG and MPEG moving pictures export group file, popular video format used for creating movie disturbed over internet. MOV quick time format developed by Apple, files are compressed and are easier to download from internet. RM and RAM real video format file are combined of audio and video. SWF and FLV Adobe Flash Shockwave file, animated file containing text and images created by using Adobe Flash software. MP4 MP4 is the commonly used for sharing video files on internet. These are all extension used for videos of and animation. First we saw text and its extension, then audio and its extension, then images and its extension files, and now videos of animation extension file. Till now we learned 4 types of components of multimedia. Now next topic is interactive objects. For a multimedia presentation to be effective, it should have maximum interactive. At times the user may want to skip a portion of the presentation or want to again go through that same portion. The user is given button or hyperlinks for navigation in such cases. Whenever we have to go previous or after forwarded portion, we have to use hyperlinks in multimedia purpose. Earlier the internet browser supports only one media element, text. Text was also limited to single font and color. All the media elements described earlier are now supported by latest internet browsers. Now we can, first of all, now we are learning 4 types of multimedia. But earlier, when computer was only on was the source of element, there was only text as the format to generate our feeling and expression by multimedia. But now multimedia has n number of sources and element to express the feeling. Classification of multimedia. Generally, multimedia is classified into 2 namely parts, that is interactive and non-interactive multimedia. In interactive multimedia, the sequence and timing of media element can be controlled by the user. For example, a multimedia CD or learn musical instrument, the user can select on the different musical instrument she wants to play. User can also select his favorite song which he want to play. And same is for in traditional mass media like television, radio or newspaper, the communication is one way. In another way, there is no source of communication. That is interactive multimedia, where we can customize our multimedia processing in CD, DVD, ROM, RAM, games. Games has both the sources. The games which we get from computer and the user is going to play the games is the interactive processing of multimedia. And second part is in non-interactive multimedia, the user simply watches the media as it plays from beginning to the end. For example, movies and for cooperative meetings presentation, there are only non-interactive multimedia, only the source is going to speak. The user or the other coordinators don't have the rights to speak. Same for movie. Movie we can watch. There is non-interactive process. We can't speak on the movie. We can't add on our pictures when we are seeing the movie. Usage of multimedia. Multimedia has become an integral part of our life. Multimedia finds its application in various, including but not limited to advertisement, art, education, entertainment, engineering are the mass sources, mathematics, business. First source is education and training. In the area of education, multimedia has a great importance. We have been using presentations consisting of charts, tables and other. And nowadays, all we know in COVID-19, multimedia and internet is playing a very important role. Students in education and training purpose, because of in multimedia and internet process, today you children are being at home and learning our school syllabus easily and preparing for exam. This is the most suitable example for education and training purpose. Advertisement. In the field of advertisement, multimedia plays a vital role. Today, advertisement is the major source of launching any product and promoting our product. Same manufacturing units, retailers, wholesalers use multimedia and making advertisement for generating their business on wide scale. Entertainment, movies. Multimedia is heavily used in the entertainment industry like movies, ads, games, and nowadays entertainment is on the part of Netflix, Prime, Amazon Prime. All are the entertainment process which is been given to customers on the sources of multimedia. Journalism. Multimedia is used a lot in the field of journalism. There are many magazines and newspapers which are published in periodical papers. Like journalism is nowadays in COVID-19, journalism is used on very large scale by the source and by the help of multimedia only. Stages in multimedia production. In multimedia presentation must be carefully planned and designed as it studies multiple source and application. Research and analyzing, scripting. During this stage we need to find out about the audience, their skills. Yes, nowadays in COVID-19, as this situation is going, research and analysis is also helped in very large scale. Scripting and flow charting, that what is on demand and what is on supply. The sources and the ratio of the sources should be measured properly. It is measured in the source of multimedia with the help of charts, tables and generating analysis. Storyboarding. During this stage of the actual visualization of the project takes place, the designer decides how screen should look like, which media element are to be used and which is not to be used. The storyboard in our earlier example will contain the designs. Storyboard can be in many sources. Today we are getting on the news in the papers, in the headlines, that there is vaccine coming for COVID-19. This is storyboard. This is visualization storyboard given to the audience about COVID-19. Collection of media elements and instruction and construction. After the storyboarding, the designer is ready when the prototype. Yes, the sources which media gets and the people gets, it is being generated and implemented on the media elements and constructed by collecting all the storyboards, all the scripting languages in a one program. Program is the final flashback shown on the computer screen. Testing, this is the final stage of any multimedia project. Yes, PPT, suits and all the things. When government Modi ji told that we should be Atmanirbhar, people started giving the lookout and programming their languages, programming their businesses on wide scale by testing everything. This is the process of generating Atmanirbhar policy. This is the entire chapter 1, which ends with scripting language, multimedia, and at the help of multimedia in today's language.